In the community of Riverside, the number of unemployed youth is nearly double the national average. Since high school dropouts are almost 1.5 times more likely to be unemployed than graduates, it is clear that in order to solve the unemployment problem, we must help students stay in school.
I grew up right here in the East Side community in Riverside. Pretty hard place to grow up sometimes. When the economy dropped, we pretty much almost lost everything. My sophomore year, I didn't really go to school. I stopped going. I have a lot of regret not finishing school.
If we give up on them, these are their options: homeless, incarcerated, or dead.
Learn for Life's career-building activities give at-risk students an incentive to stay in school. The WIOA, or the Workforce Innovation and Opportunities Act, is a federal program that allows Learn for Life to partner with community organizations to provide at-risk students with career technical education courses and hands-on job training.
Learn for Life is a partner with the WIOA program, or WIOA, and they offer high school diplomas to youth who maybe didn't do well in the traditional education system, and so they have a more alternative type of learning.
It's like nothing breeds success like success, and once you've had that, you know it can be done somewhere else. Our students get memberships into Vocademy.
When I went to high school, I had something called shop class. It made me the human being that I am. I learned that I'm a maker. All those classes are gone from our schools. So here the students come, and let me tell you, we will change their lives forever, because this is where they discover they have a purpose in life. This facility is a combination of conventional looking classrooms and labs with equipment. Everything from 3D printing to laser cutting to plastics and composites and even sewing.
When I got here, I looked into the programs they had, and what caught my attention was the welding. I just wanted to try it out, but I started to like it, so I started coming more to the classes. They give you projects, you start welding.
We can take a student at 17 that was headed downhill. With Learn for Life, we can give them a diploma, we can give them some skills, and through our apprenticeship, put them into a real job, and it costs them zero, and that's magical.
And our goal is not just to get a job, but to get a career, something that is sustainable for them and their families. There is I guess we are calling it a silver tsunami about to take place of retiring workers, and there's like no one to take our places. And so it's very important that we work with entities that can supply us with people who are interested in learning.
I felt like giving up a lot. You struggle, you see your family struggle, and if it wasn't for Learn for Life, I don't know what my future would have been. I've probably just been working at a warehouse, making minimum wage, breaking my back. I never thought I would enjoy school that much because I always hated school. It just makes you feel like you're more of a family instead of just a student coming to school. It makes me feel good that I'm going to be able to support my family, and I'll be good for whatever the future has for me.
By keeping students in school and preparing them for lifelong careers, Learn for Life is working to break the cycle of poverty in Riverside and beyond.